Hello, this is a training video on how to replace the sensor of the Pocket Pro. We'll follow these 8 simple steps. Step 1 is to remove the cap of the Pocket Pro, and you can empty the water that's inside that. And you'll need to do this at times during the life of the Pocket Pro if the sensor has gone bad. So that would be the reason that you do this. Next, we'll twist off this blue part, and it comes off like this. Set that aside, and we'll remove the existing sensor like that. We'll set that aside as well. Next, we're going to take out the new sensor from its box and remove the bottom cap. And now it's important to line up this indentation with the back of the Pocket Pro. It should insert itself. That's what's indicated in this step in the process. Next, we'll twist back on this blue part. Make sure it's tight. And we'll want to fill this with water. And it's important to keep the Pocket Pro stored with water in it so that the sensor lasts longer. And that's how you replace the sensor on a Pocket Pro.